Resume writing tips and tricks. Welcome to PrepareNext.com. We offer you details about jobs. Nowadays, getting employment is tougher than ever. It's necessary to possess that good skills, and therefore, the idea about the way to craft the perfect resumes efficiently and legibility would be great for your career, and it would be another advantage for your required job interviews. Point number 1. Keep your resume unique. Your resume is usually a primary step to getting an interview with an employer. Confirm you include the foremost relevant information on your resume. Organize it to spotlight the foremost important information. Point number 2. No grammatical error. It's extremely important that there should be any grammatical mistakes. You can use online tools or your friends to make sure of it. Point number 3. Proper formatting. The resume should be well formatted with a uniform and legible font. The individual points should be mentioned using bullet points. Point number 4. Choose the simple and readable font. Choosing a transparent and readable font will help to form your resume more professional and connected. Point number 5. Include achievements when appropriate. You will see your resume shouldn't be quite 2 pages, so include achievements during a very appropriate way, like awards, achievements, internship, certification, volunteering work, which may describe in 4 to 5 points. Point number 6. Highlight the important words. This is because they show the intensity and impact of your work. Point number 7. Double check contact information. Before submitting or sending the resume, you ought to undergo the whole resume to make sure that it doesn't have any grammar mistakes. You can also use profiling online tools. It is also helpful to ask trusted friends or colleagues to review a resume in order that it would possibly find ways to correct or improve it. Point number 8. Make sure you're using the right resume format. Every single points need to be mentioned using bullets. There should be proper amount of space between sections. The important phrases should be emphasized using italics or bold font. Point number 9. Personal details that should be given in your resume. Father's name, mother's name, date of birth, marital status, alternate phone number, address, and gender. Avoid using the word sex. Point number 10. Project description. Project name, client name, project description, technology used in the project, responsibility that you are given, education details. Mail the CV in PDF form rather than Word form. It looks clean and attractive. In many circumstances, Word version doesn't support, but the PDF is reliable. Stay tuned for upcoming updates and subscribe our channel and visit our page www.preparenext.com. Thank you.